Welcome to Cooking Conspiracy as we did seared tuna steaks. Start off with nice, thick tuna steaks, thicker than these. Tuna. That smells like tuna. This smells like chicken or something else funky. Abort. You want your tuna to smell and taste like tuna. Other than that, pretty easy. Add a quarter cup of soy sauce. You know, I hate soy sauce. It takes so long to get out of the bottle. Then you're going to roll right into your sesame oil with 2 tablespoons of that. And this marinade makes enough for 2 good steaks. After your sesame oil, roll into the honey situation. 2 tablespoons-ish. My honey's kind of solid, so I'm going to have to stir the shit out of it to dissolve. And that's okay. Add some salt, probably about a tablespoon or so. No, a teaspoon, not tablespoon. A couple good shakes of pepper. And a dash of red pepper to give it a little bit of hint of spiciness. Now you're going to mix that all up together and you're going to mix it good. There should be no floaties in it, just nice, smooth, even consistency. You can marinate the tuna steaks in a bag or a Tupperware with the sauce in the fridge for about an hour or so. You're going to preheat your skillet. It's going to be hot because you're just trying to get a good sear on your tuna for about 30 to 45 seconds each side. You're going to flip once, 30 to 45 seconds or so. Then you're going to serve it or put it on a plate. You're going to add your marinade on top of it. Sprinkle some sesame seeds, and then you got green onion. I would sprinkle some of that on it. Look really pretty, look like a restaurant. Make sure you get nice even cuts displayed for the presentation. But as you can see, raw in the middle, seared on the outside. It's the way it's supposed to be. It's delicious. Nom 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 nom. Oh man. Oh yeah. Yeah. Oh. 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 So good. So good. Oh. Wow. Oh. Yeah. Oh, here it comes again. I cannot contain my excitement. Oh, so good. Oh. Da 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 da. So good. Hey, just remember to subscribe, people. Give some support here for more footage of dog and tuna and whatnot. Ciao.